when you first come in.
You would probably want a max, because if not, you lose your spoiler, and it changes.
Yeah, it fucking sucks.
I didn't have a spoiler at the end, it changes.
Oh my god, bro, what the fuck? What do you have in this thing?
Oh, don't worry about that, bro. It's fast.
Where is it?
The circle right there.
Oh, awesome. It doesn't show up until you get closer.
Yeah.
Oh, she's fast.
Oh, nice. There are a bunch of first aid kits in there. Pick up that fucking...
Oh my god.
I'm pretty sure it goes over 300.
Smoking schmag? Of course it does.
This nigga's smoking schmag. I'm so glad I'm maxing it.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I put the 2000 kit on it.
What?
Yeah.
Let me work that shit out.
Yeah, it has to be, because it kicks in at like the last fucking second possible. Oh my god.
And it takes flight.
Like the game's actively fighting the car. Like, no, you're not supposed to be moving this fast.
It's slidey, man.
I don't even know what direction I was going in.
1 hour later.
My man said, I'm gonna put all the horsepower into this thing. Like, the pointing jet can't get any faster. Like,
I didn't want Eddie Bugatti fast. It should be fast enough.
yeah.
Well, made it possible. I'm probably gonna die, just so you know.
Oh yeah, motorcycle.
I'm on the Busa.
It's so violent, bro. Like, as soon as the boost kicks in, it's just like, fuck you. Like, there's no tire grip whatsoever.
Oh, they're fast though. Oh, dead.
Oh, dead.
That was instantly, my body stopped moving. The bike's gone.
I'll come pick you up in your death trap if I make it.
I see my bike, it got stuck.
Oh my god, bro, this thing is so violent.
Ow! I got run over by a car! I was trying to catch AJ, and bad move.
I just want to hit the Isle of Man and some F1s right now.
Oh, you're in my F1?
Yep. This feels amazing.
Oh, the F1 is fucking sick, bro. Jesus, I made it to the turnaround. It's too fast, bro. What the fuck?
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
Relax.
I tried to use it on the street. I'm stuck.
That's tough. That's tough.
I don't know what happened. I got on my bike and it was...
Oh my god, the brakes on this thing are stupid. It's like 207
Oh,
stop.
did it bring you in a car?
No.
Oh, hold on.
It just left my bike.
Did it?
Random cops just chilling on this in the street.
She fast, right?
Bro. You know it's fast when I just leave it in 6th gear. It just accelerates. Oh my god.
Oh, you gotta pass AJ.
I know I can, I'm just trying to not get into boost.
Let it hit. In that bitch.
The calmness of it too, like, he knows, just let it hit. It's out of control.
But he's...
Wow.
Hold up. He's really fucking 200 in reverse.
But the responsiveness.
Wow, fuck. I saw him coming too, I'm like, shit. Damn, y'all fucked him up. You saw him?
Oh, damn. One car just hit the middle of the road.
I can't drive because I'm looking at the RPM gauge constantly, like, don't let it touch boost.
I'm stuck.
Are you?
Yep.
Damn it.
Close.
Close.
My man, I'm going with the steering wheel. Jesus Christ. Holy hell. Thank you.
I like how it's just a constant burnout. Like, you're doing burnouts at 200.
This thing has so much power, bro.
This is what I kind of wanted out of it, though. It's like, I just wanted to make it, like, undrivable.
I want to be unstoppable when I pull this car out.
And there's no traffic, and it's straight. Like, if there was no cars here,
At like 1 a.m. there will be no cars usually.
Let me see that.
Bro, it's undrivable.
Bring it in.